Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the top 5 most valuable 20 euro cent coins. There we have the Belgium 20 euro cent, 2003, and Netherlands 20 euro cent, King of Beatrix and Ireland 20 euro cent. This is Spain 20 euro cent, at last Italy 20 euro cent coins, worth a lot of money. These coins have captured the attention of collectors worldwide due to their rarity and historical significance. Stick around as we unveil these hidden gems and their astonishing values. First on our list is the Belgium 20 euro cent from 2003. This coin is highly sought after due to its limited
mintage and intricate design. In mint condition, it can fetch a handsome sum at auctions. What makes this coin special is its limited mintage and unique design.
With just 200,000 coins minted, it's a real treasure for collectors. Today, this coin can fetch an impressive value of around $44,000 in top-notch condition. If you have in your collection, please send me your coins. Next up, we have the Netherlands 20 euro cent coin from 2002. The Netherlands is known for producing high-quality coins, and this one is no exception. Its unique design and scarcity make it a favorite among collectors. This coin features a stunning tulip design, paying homage to the country's rich horticultural heritage. The scarcity of this coin, with only 5 million produced, has driven its value up. Collectors are willing to pay up to $100,000 for a well-preserved piece. Okay, so moving on to the Ireland 20 euro cent coin from 2002. Ireland's rich cultural heritage is reflected in this coin's design. If you happen to have one in pristine condition, it could be a valuable addition to your collection. This coin is highly sought after due to its low mintage and the unique Celtic harp design. With just 1.2 million coins minted, it's a rare find. If you own one in excellent condition, it could be worth a staggering $200,000 for single coin for proof coin. Our fourth contender is the Spain 20 euro cent coin from 1999. This coin holds historical significance, being one of the earliest issues of the euro currency. Its age, coupled with its scarcity, contributes to its high value among collectors. What makes this coin stand out is its historical significance as one of the early euro coins. Only 60,000 of these were minted, making them extremely scarce. Collectors are willing to pay around $500,000 to add one of these to their collection. And now, a moment we've all been waiting for. Our number one most valuable 20 euro cent coin is the Italy 20 euro cent from 2002. Italy is renowned for its art and culture, and this coin beautifully encapsulates that essence. Its value has been steadily increasing, making it a prized possession for numismatists. This coin features the famous Vitruvian Man by Leonardo da Vinci, making it highly desirable among numismatists. With a mintage of just 40,000, it's an incredibly rare find. If you're lucky enough to own one, its estimated value at a heritage auction could reach up to $500,000 or even more. Remember, the value of these coins can vary depending on their condition and market demand, so it's always a good idea to consult with experts or attend coin auctions for the most accurate pricing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow collectors.